हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आप सभी का स्वागत है मेरे इस यूट्यूब चैनल एस्ट्रो किताब में। अभी तक जैसे मैं आपको इंग्लिश राइटर्स के बुक्स के बारे में बता रहा हूँ, अभी तक मैं आपको हिंदी राइटर्स के बारे में काफ़ी बुक्स के बारे में बता चुका हूँ। तो आज मैं जिस एक इंग्लिश बुक के बारे में बात करने जा रहा हूँ, उस बुक का नाम है लर्न एस्ट्रोलॉजी द इजी वे। इन दिस book you will learn from basic. So this book is a best book if you want to learn astrology and you're comfortable with the English writer. So this is one of the best book to know about the astrology. So now just tell you about in chapter 1 we will learn about introductory lesson. Astrology is not a fortune telling but an exact science. It is a branch of Vedas and lots more you will learn in chapter 1. In chapter 2, we will learn the zodiac and the solar system, the 12th sign of the zodiac, planets, motion of planets, retrograde and direct motions of planet. In chapter 3, planets, sign, can say rashis and constellations like nakshatra, yogs, tithi, ritus, solar months and lots more in chapter 3. In chapter 4 we will learn natural characteristics of the rashis. It's one of the important topic to know about astrology. Forms of horoscope used in North and South India. Classification of rashis: movable, fixed, dual, flurry, earthy, air and watery, and lots more you will learn in chapter 4. In chapter 5 we will learn the natural characteristics of the planet, sex, caste and nature, their qualities, directions, colors, season, gems, metal, taste and lots more in chapter 5. In chapter 6 we will learn further information about planets, planetary limbs, shape and stature, planetary bodies, planetary periods, disease caused by the planets. Very important topic. Relations signified by planets, generally know how about planets, and lots more about their friendship, enmity among the planet. So in chapter 6 we will know more about the planet and their friendship and enemies. Now in chapter 7 we will learn about casting of horoscope, information of necessary items concerned with casting a horoscope, longitude, latitude, date of birth, time of birth, place of birth and lots more in chapter 7. In chapter 8 we will learn casting of horoscope as continued with chapter 7, how to work out X house and other things we will learn. In chapter 9 we will learn about casting of the horoscope, same as continue, working out of the longitude of the planet with the assistance of Larry and lots more. In chapter 10, erection of numbers chart and tables of Navansha. Chapter 11, houses, can say as a bhav in astrology and their nature and signification, kendra, trikon and lots more. Upchaya house, can say lagn in both kendra and trikon. So it is also one of the important topic to know more about astrology. In this book you will learn the astrology, can say in a very simple English language you can easily understand. In chapter 12 now we learn the planetary strength and avastha, exaltation, own house, happy, powerful, distress, bad, fear and lots more you will learn in chapter 12. Chapter 13 we will learn about the major and minor periods of the planet in Vimshotri Dasha, how to calculate the balance of the Mahadasha of planet at birth and lots more. And chapter 14, effects of birth in various constellations, can say nakshatra. There are around 27 nakshatra we all know, so each one have special characteristics, and yogs, how to find the yog at birth. So this is one of the important topic also in this book. In chapter 15 we learn about effects of rising sign and Jan Rashi. Chapter 16 effects of planets in different sign. Chapter 17 general effects of planets in a different house. Chapter 18 effects due to ownership of various houses by planet, can say mark or death inflicting planets. Chapter 19 auspicious and inauspicious planet for different ascendants by virtue of their ownership of various houses. Chapter 20 learn about general effects of lords of house 1st, 2nd, 3rd and lots more when posted in 1 to 12 houses. So it is one of the most important topic when you will start, can say, prediction, to know about the prediction. In chapter 21 Rahu and Ketu, special characteristic of these shadow planetary when Rahu and Ketu become favorable. And in chapter next, judgment of horoscope, guiding principles for a judgment of a horoscope, comparatively importance of Lagna, Chandra Lagna and lots more. Next chapter we will learn about the yogs. It is very important in astrology. There are around thousands of yogs in astrology, so we will learn some of them and their importance. In next chapter we will learn about the result of dashas and antardashas of planet, changes in a result as account of the favorable or unfavorable depends on the dasha, and lots more we will learn in the next chapter. Another one chapter we will learn about the female horoscopy, difference between the examination of male and female horoscope, general effects of Janm Nakshatra, Yog, Lagan, Janm Rashi and lots more. And in last chapter we will learn about the effects of transits of planets, importance of Janm Rashi and lots more, general effects of planet transiting place and lots more. So in this book we can say that we will learn astrology from start till end in a very clearly way and simple, we can say. So I hope when you read this book you can know about the astrology and you can learn astrology. And if you want to buy this book, you can contact me on my email ID or on my WhatsApp number as given below. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you.